Welcome to Piano Adventure Level 1 lesson book. We're gonna have a look of the primer review of theory before we proceed to the songs in Level 1 and see we get all the deeper understanding before we move on to Level 1. This, as I explained about the cake thing, this is the whole cake, which worked 4 days to eat it, which worked 4 days to finish the cake. It is 4 bits. And you cut the cake into half, and that's where you have this with a line on it. So these were 2 bits. When you put the dot beside the 2 bits, then it's like I give you a piece of cake, and it's always worth half of the front. So it's 2 plus 1 is 3 bits. And then you color into black from 2, it's shortened, become 1 bit. And this is the rest, represent the 1 bit. When we get up to here, time signature is the time indication, so that you prepare to count how many bits in the bar. So always remember the head represent who. So in here, it represents how many bits in the bar. If it's written 4, that means it's 4 bits in a bar. And this bottom part is coming from the whole cake thing. So imagine this is called whole note. You cut the note into half, become half note. You cut the note into half again, become quarter. So this quarter is represent the bit to count for 1 bit. Same as here. So when you look at 3, there's 3 bits in a bar, and the bottom represent this is the 1 bit to count. Usually there is a name for this. So the name for this is semi-brave. This is minute. When you put the dot, this is a dotted minute, and this is a crotchet, and this is the crotchet rest. Now we learn about dynamics symbol. So this all words is in Italian. Forte, short form is F, it means loud. Piano, short form is P, means soft. Mezzo forte, short form MF, means moderately loud. Now we're looking at the note names. So if the notes going upwards, you alphabetically spell in alphabet in order. But if it's downward, you have to spell backwards. For example, we have our middle C right here. So very simple. You can either start from C and then you go up C, D, E, F, G, or backwards G, F, E, D, C, backwards C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. So alternatively, you can use the word that I gave you previously about right hand reading is every good boy deserves fruit on the line, and human face FACE on the space. And left hand, it is from the line good birds don't fly away, or on the space all cows eat grass to find your notes. We go to the next one is how to draw the notes. So when we look at if it's on the space, the way it goes up will be on the line. If it's on the line, you going down will be on the space, which is on the first space. And then we have first line, then going up to the first space. And then stepping down from first space, going to the first line. Now skipping, you're gonna skip from line to line or space to space. For example, this is on the 5th line, you're gonna skip down to the 4th line. Second space, you're gonna skip up to the 3rd space. 4th space, you're gonna skip down to 3rd space. 3rd line, you're gonna skip up to 4th line.